Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We're here at the Canoo headquarters today to celebrate an awesome new milestone. This is the world premiere of our multi-purpose delivery vehicle.
No one really thinks of the small guy. No one thinks of the everyday hustler. Why not take care of those that are working on the ground every single day? To think of people's livelihood and their wellness as you design things, it's huge. I always try to look for a way to find a bridge between new and old. If you look at Kogi and our company, we're kind of low-tech on one end. We're very in-person, we show up to the neighborhood, but we're spreading our information at the speed of light. I find something like this to be a bridge. It can create community. It has the ability to show up, you know, and be there for you. If this company was just a fancy electric car company, you know, that was selling tricked out $300,000 electric vehicles, I'd be like, cool, live your life. But the fact that it is designed and priced for the everyday person, you get like little hints about stuff in life. And for me, that was like, okay, maybe this is something. If you start to care about the masses and not just the few, it's going to switch the balance of power. And it's going to make everyone have a little bit of a better life.
First, I want to introduce Tony Aquila. Tony is Canoo's executive chairman, as well as significant investor. Tony brings a wealth of knowledge and experience in the technology and automotive space. So we're super excited to have him join the team. Please welcome Tony.
Hello everybody, today we're introducing to you our multi-purpose delivery vehicle. And multi-purpose because it does many, many things. And we're going to talk to you about a few of those today. We've got a special guest, our friend Roy Choi, who is the pioneer of the modern food truck movement.
Hey Tony, what's going on, baby?
Good to see you.
Hey, you hungry?
No, I already ate, man.
All right, well, let me get out of this thing.
Yeah, let's hang out.
Man.
It's pretty cool, huh?
I've never seen the outside. I've only been on the inside. Yeah, this thing is amazing.
We wanted it to meet the needs of a small business owner or a recreational user or, you know, a medium-sized business or a large business, and there's many use cases that this vehicle can do. And that's why we call it a multi-purpose delivery vehicle.
Man,
I got some cool stuff to show you though.
yeah, I can't wait.
So like, we wanted it to look very smart and very modern, but at the same time be very affordable. And we wanted this to be that power plant so you can just pull up, do your thing. And you don't have propane or fuel smell messing with the aromas of your great cooking. Here we tried to think of all of those use cases because we built it from the inside out, thinking of the users of the vehicle. I can slide my tools out. Let's say I got power tools. I can literally just set it in here and it charges. What do you think? It's pretty cool, huh?
That's so cool. Why'd you think of the streets? Why'd you think of the delivery vehicle? Why'd you think of us?
You know, this is built for the people, by the people. Richard and I both, we come from immigrants. We come from restaurateurs. I mean, you know how most of us come to this country.
Yeah.
And, you know, it's working people. And so this is a vehicle designed for them, priced for them, so that they can conduct business.
It feels like finally someone and something is thinking of the everyday person. With Kogi, what happened was by us making, you know, really flavorful, ingredient-rich food at an affordable price and going to everyone's neighborhoods, it just opened up a whole new world. And then food became culture, and it could be the same with something like this.
You know, it's just designed for simplicity, ease of use. You can come right in it,
Yeah.
you feel at home, and you can go to work.
It's like an RV, a van, a delivery truck, everything in one. I could watch a movie right here.
I mean, this is for a small business to have flat panels. This is your billboard, your way of advertising. And so you can wrap it, you can put all kinds of different messaging on it.
In many cases, a lot of us that are either immigrants or coming up from street culture or working on a hustling profession that where every day, every dollar, every minute counts.
Yeah.
So what we're doing is we're making little fixes and little shortcuts to just get by. A lot of those things, again, are put together with duct tape. I always say duct tape and paper clips, you know, because we're just taking over whatever's there because that's all we can afford. So to have something that's affordable and already designed for us is very much in tune with the philosophy of Kogi because that's how we looked at food. Again, I feel like I'm in the future. I'm trying to express through my smile just like what it's like to be next to this thing. I've never seen anything like it.
Roy, I'd love to show you a bunch of information about this.
Okay.
Let's do it.
I can't
Come on.
wait. Whoa.
So, as you can see here, you get to see the different kinds of design elements of it. And, you know, using technology allows us to accelerate the way we can innovate quickly. And this design is form and function.
Hello.
I know, right? Talks to you. Feel the roominess. You're not like bending over, getting in. Notice there's not a lot of gadgets. So we thought to just make it as sleek and functional and durable.
And everything you need is integrated into your phone or the technology. Whoa.
Right?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? So you can put the steering wheel in any configuration you want because it's drive-by-wire. You can change the overhang. And that's how we got so many use cases because it's off of a common platform that is multi-purpose. And, it's low, it's sleek, it's powerful, it's a power plant, big battery packs. The distance, the ground clearance makes it super nice as to that point you and I when we were conversing. And then there's just other makes and models that we'll be introducing and all the configurations because they're different use cases for people. This is,
This is crazy, bro.
It's just awesome, huh? So here you can see of how the batteries are fused. It's designed so that you can actually, have a couple configurations of what we call the top hat, and then you can just drop them down, bolt them on, and drive away. Because there is no steering column, there's no complication, it's just connectors.
Everything becomes customizable from the skateboard.
And you don't need a generator. You can have 240 volt, 120 volt. You can just see, it's just plug it in, it's hidden, it's smooth, and you can have them on both sides. You can have them anywhere you want them.
This is amazing. I finally have somewhere to plug my phone into.
You can have multiple devices. You can bring them. We can supply them. The steering wheel, you know, just the ergonomics of it, the way you get in and out of the seat, and the seat is air ride. And when you think about it, as you can see this gentleman here, he's standing up full height. He's got organic light.
Yeah.
You can see so many different use cases and how you can configure it to your needs. But all of this for $33,000 to start with. We really had to be super efficient and super mindful of the people using it, and you can configure it.
To be able to expand into all of this and be for the people, I don't know, it doesn't seem like of this world.
So here you can actually see this is the power of technology. This gives me the ability to see it at scale. So like different payload capabilities and the structure.
But it's still the same skateboard.
Everything
base.
we're doing
extends.
is off of our common technology platform. So here's just something fun to see how much now, like if you, like me, love pizza.
Pizza pie.
You got 1,270 boxes you can put in it. So just thinking about those little things. You know, this is just a small platform, but it has 450 cubic feet.
Oh, there we go.
Just tribute to you. This was kind of a little bit of a funny thing. So how many tacos could you put?
36,729. That's so fun.
This is one of my favorites. Because you get to make it you, and look how cool it is. It's your personality where you can really operate a big storefront.
Something that you really want to personalize and make it your own.
We want you to be able to walk in and go, I want this, but here's how I want it for me. Because we thought about those things first.
Whoa.
So here it really demonstrates that it's a technology platform. And I can sit there and give user preferences to my drivers and all the things I need to know. It talks to me rather than me looking at the gauges to figure it out. And here, what this does is it's all geo-connected, so you can program your software so that it can alert your user base where you're gonna be, when you're gonna be there, 10 minutes before you get there. Let technology be your partner. You can see here, this is us pushing the technology into as much of autonomy as we can. We're 2.5 today. We want to keep pushing the envelope there. But as you're driving, it's keeping an eye on things and helping you steer your vehicle, you know, step by step. As technology advances in other areas of the industry, we can incorporate that because it's a technology platform. Hey everyone, we want to thank you for joining us today, and special thanks to the crew for all their hard work and for our guest, Roy Choi. We're going to take it for a ride.
Go.
Let's go.